Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you or show you how to cook lentils, guys, in Spanish style. Here are the ingredients. This is lentil. Yeah, so we have lentil, guys. We also have these carrots, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 potato and chorizo, and also a handful of rice. So we're going to mix it all together, guys, in a pot and boil it until they are all cooked. Now guys, I already cut the chorizo, so it's like this, guys. You can cut it into slant or into a round one like this. Yes, and now I'm going to add in here, and now our lentils and other vegetables are boiling. So we can add now the chorizo. It's like that now, guys, for the moment, but you will see later that the color will change as this chorizo has this red color. It's red, guys, because they use paprika powder. Yes, and they use it as preservative. Can you see it now, guys? The color of the chorizo is out a little bit, so you can see the red color. Can you see now the color of the paprika? I just added water, guys. Yeah, that's why it's not boiling. But can you see, guys, the red color? Eating already. Very good, Lakota Iha. So this is our food, guys.